everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make orange miso ginger dressing. The color of O.M.G dressing is mellow yellow. I love the color. I especially love the taste. Okay, let's begin. Orange miso and ginger dressing is very simple to make. You can use orange juice, but I'm using fresh orange. This shape of knife is very good to peel. You can use the potato peeler. The orange skin is not easy to digest for human body. So peel the orange but leave this white skin because this has a lot of nutrition. When you make a juice also, you just keep this white skin. Very fresh smell. This big chunk like this, put it in the blender. This is 2 tablespoons sweet white miso, 25 ginger, and 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, and 3 cloves garlic. Lovely. Make a basic dressing like this, and you can add your favorite herbs or spices when you are going to use. You can keep it for a week. I will use some later and I will use today as well. Tasty. So basic dressing like this. Now we'll add pinch of cardamom, add some coriander. So with this miso and orange ginger dressing, I'm going to add cooked squash and celiac. Oh, look at this color. So the dressing and the noodle is finished now, so I'm going to taste it. Okay? Oh my gosh, this dressing is really good. It has a tangy citrus flavor with subtle sweetness from the miso. It goes well with the potatoes and pasta like this and salad. Again, it is simple to make and will go well with many dishes. So if you have an orange and sweet white miso in your kitchen, why not give it a go? Okay? Hope you enjoy my recipe and see you next time. Bye! Bye bye!